Lovely, guys. So basically we got half of a lemon and we have fresh rosemary. Okay, we're going to be making a nice lovely cup of tea this evening. Rosemary and lemon is one of the best you could ever use at home in this time, guys. Honestly, I make a lot of teas, but there are certain kind of tea which definitely I just love them, and this is one. You're talking about pain right here, reducing inflammation, joint pain, all of these things help you with your hair, sugar, everything. This specific one, very good for the sugar, help you for reducing craviness. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna show you exactly what you guys gonna need to do to make this beautiful cup of tea this evening. So first thing, what you're gonna do, grab yourself a couple rosemary right here, okay, and break off a stem, place that straight inside of our cup. All right, put that aside, and then we're gonna put some hot water. All right, don't add any sugar or sweetener to it, leave it naturally, then cover it, okay, for about 5 minutes. Good vibes. Now in that 5 minutes, it's going to infuse and it's going to make this tea what you're looking for. Now the rosemary is something which I make all the time, guys. Okay, all right, that's the book over there. You can grab yourself a copy also of the book. This kind of tea is one of the best in the world. I will recommend it to anyone. I said to them, give this a try at home. All right, so after 5 minutes and it jar, what you're going to do, you're going to squeeze that lemon juice into it. So that is vitamin C you're gonna get right there. It's beautiful, it's fantastic. And you know, sometimes I just do this little thing to encourage my audience to do something different at home, and this is one of them. Beautiful cup of tea for you guys to try at home. So what we're gonna do, remove this lid, all right, and then we're going to squeeze some lemon juice in it. All right, and then you want to just drink this before you go to your bed or first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Guys, it's one of the best. Leave your comments and tell me exactly what you think about this kind of tea. Drink it for about 10 days, in the morning and at night before bed. If you like this kind of tea, leave like in the comments. Good vibes. All right, so as you can see, beautiful cup of tea, very simple, very easy to make, doesn't complicate it. Infuse all of that and leave it for another 5 more minutes and drink it before you go to your bed. Also, you can drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Now, if this kind of recipe you like, okay, in the comments, write like, and we'll definitely make more recipes like this. All right, but this kind of recipe, 100% it help you with your blood sugar. I did a recipe before, help you with stress, and this one helps you with the blood sugar, and also help you with inflammation and also joint pain. Very powerful, natural for you to try at home. Good vibes. Have a beautiful evening, and I see you with part 2. Big up on yourself. Good vibes. Okay, see that? You might have wondered where t-shirt for card. Here it is. That is it. And also that's the book right there. Okay, tell a friend. Also a friend tell a friend. Good vibes.